of some things I've learned after being on my own is some things you have to do yourself, right? I have to change out the secondary battery of my Mercedes-Benz. Tucked behind a couple of things, this thing here and this here. This is the new battery. And this one here is the old one that I'm going to replace. In order for me to upgrade my stereo, backup camera, and all that cute stuff, I needed a new secondary battery because I've already replaced my main one. I have tools on me in my trunk, but I don't have them today because Okay, well, I got the old one out, the new one in. Now I'm getting ready to bolt it back. And some things started acting up, like my stereo system, which is not good. I'm getting ready to get it replaced. I need it to work. I need the juices to be right. Oh, hold on. Being a producer, I gotta have my sound right. So I don't care how old you are. When you're a musician and you engineer, stuff like that, you know how you want your music to sound. And so when we start going back into the studio, which we will, Lisa and I, and then Connie Lowe, we're gonna go back to the studio with her. When we do stuff like that, you gotta have a stereo system in your car that's gonna be able to support your loud music. And I play my music loud. Yes.